Sweet, sweet Jamaica, me nah left ya. And the ackee and the saltfish, me nah left ya. Left go where? Never. Anyways, we have a look a lineup here. But they always say Jamaica is not a real place. And what me always say, Jamaicans, we're not real people. That type of video tonight. Let me crown there. Yeah.
Sure, when mama come later, you better prepare for this blood clot stabbing you, cause this stabbing you no normal, you know. You know, so me eat bumbo clot for breakfast. So imagine when that sit down kill the come out and takes it in your body. Cry out, my father. Yeah, tell you.
Hey, somebody gonna cry out later. I wonder if the person that we gonna cry out gonna stand up. Wait, Peanut Dread friend say across the fence. Don't get her pregnant from the back or while she's standing up. And don't get her pregnant nighttime because the pitney we are dark. And if you get her pregnant from the back, the pitney we burn down your house. Anyways, the next video, like Jamaica imports some snow. A big snowfall or a wine in this case. And the music, I want Beanie Man song. Me have to go mute it or else they gonna copyright it. But man them up on the channel. And them a woman a peanut dread talk about probably where you have to get a green card. Or in most cases also I fat one them, fat white to them give a green card, yeah. No, not me. I never know, say, Jamaica have winter. I never know Jamaica had snows. But wait a minute, it's Easter. Watch the snow bunny them. Alright, snow bunny. See she a clap, whining. Watch the one that blue. Hold them. What the one that broke her. That a go on, pan what a go on. I guess you don't have to come a foreign to get whitey again. Can't stay right at Jamaica there. Oh. Well, the man nigger always get whitey from nigger. I know what crazy. They have a bridging with a gigolo, you know. And the man saying chat to the girl them just or the white women them just like when talk to Jamaican women. No difference. What you know? I want to Michael Phelps. All bigs are swim, bigs can't move. Bigs is not a fish. Proof, bigs are proof, them are not fish. Big straight. Anyways, I wish video this know. Music nice, so I'm probably gonna mute it. So it's the Vibes Cartel song playing both under my nose. So this I believe is a police operation, you know, and a man on a bike them a hunt. So see the bike man evade the taxi driver there, so I see the police them right there. So cartel say I'm out. What is on? So the song was what is on my nose, I'm out. So the I'm out was right when in duck. Watch out. See there, a cartel crown. A cartel song, I'm out. The part there was right when the man ducked the police and escaped into nearby bushes. What happened I say now?
Fresh drop.
Hey, sweet boy. Not Betty milk. Not donut.
This a big zap though. Put in belt in your pants, brother. Wear belt in your pants, guys. We don't need to see your underwears. A gay man sign, brother. If you never know. Yeah, man. A prison sign if you say, yo, you ready to get your back blown out. So pull up on the pants, brother. Nobody know what's doing the dirty, nasty underwear. Anyway, this a girl I know. This a young lady, rather. What she have to say?
What is the wickedest thing you have ever done in a relationship?
Me have sex with my boyfriend friend.
No man. How are them going out here, though, brother? So, your boyfriend ever find out about this?
Yeah.
And what him do? Crash out.
No. We just
Part ways?
talk. Yeah, we just part ways.
Me respect that, bro.
Yeah, you know there was any necessity to argue. Like him just know say yo him stand him ground and him gone because we do something fuck up.
Oh, so him to do something before that?
No, that I know of.
Okay.
Insert the song there. Them girl are wicked, them wicked, them wicked. Them girl are wicked, them wicked, them wicked. I don't know how them so wicked, why them so wicked, but all I know them girl are wicked. Yeah. There's no coming back after that. What? Anyways, this a look a white young man, you know. Your boss have something for you if you're a woman. And if you're a man, go and go give your woman this.
What she need? What she want? What she want?
Right now, late night, drink up some stone ginger wine and go drop off.
What she want? What she want?
Moving forward.
Hey peeps, I was ashamed that mother. Remember when I was about 9 years old, remember that bring me go to a funeral in a port and that's somebody me not even know. And when I reach the funeral, I stand up in one corner by myself. I look me see a man approach me and say, young boy, enjoy life while it lasts, time flies. I never enjoy it. Look at me now. And the man tap me on my shoulder and walk off. When we about to leave the funeral, my mother come to me and say, oh, Shane, come say goodbye to the dead person. People, when we walk up, I looking at the coffee, and I see a man who just there talk to me, sitting in the coffee lay down, For years, me traumatized, me couldn't sleep alone, me have to sleep with light on. And when me about 15 years old, me find out the dead man have a twin brother.
The twin brother did you dirty. Sue him. Lock him up. Yeah, man. Man traumatized her for years, brother. Oh my gosh. Last piece of video I want to play. We're going to watch it and laugh and enjoy ourselves, I hope I don't even remember who I play, but we're going to watch it.
Must watch.
Where you coming from? Where you coming from?
Look for me, I wish my parents me could have come from.
I could have never school. Cause me just go down at your school and the watchman tell me say you got a long time.
Delcita,
Yes, Mama.
how you just tell me say you stop a extra class?
Extra class? It might stop us something extra, but it's certainly not class.
You have something to tell me, Delcita?
No, Mama. Ask Papa, no. No, he might do the talking.
No man. Little girl, this who you're ranking yourself with, eh?
But imagine, you ask me a question, and me answer you. And it look like say I know that the answer that you want, If you want to be me liar, you know go and talk.
Delcita pregnant, you're pregnant. No, mama. Hey, which Jamaican child can talk to their Jamaican parent like this? Well, things on time change still. Probably they can. My kids, nope. Nope. Me, worse than moms. My mom's serious. Me, I one way. I just know me have a serious. Cause one live with me. Anyways, let's see what Delcita have up her sleeve now.
Delcita!
You know?
Nothing to say.
But Mama, me not have nothing to say. Mama, how you take that money and do it?
No, look here, man. Look here, man. That pitney and Tanya one more night. Pack your things.
Oh, you mean me fi pack me things? Just show me not have nothing to say. But you know easy.
Delcita, hush up!
But Mama,
Just hush up, man.
No, man. Are you turn up there, you don't say nothing to her about it? This is the last stop. Pack her things by tonight, and don't make the last bus left her. Oh.
James, stop talk them foolishness then, man. You know we can't put out the little child like that.
Child? You she talked to me a while ago. That's not a child. That's a big woman. She fi go find her own house. Look here. Me don't have one woman in here rule me. Me can't take another one.
James, you're not supposed to have no woman in your house to rule you. I can't hear your daughter. After your stepdaughter. You know when a stepchild, you're afraid to speak to the child or scold the child. This could not be your child and you're afraid to scold the child you kick. Never ever you kick a child out. Don't do it. Okay. But James needs to stand up, man, like a man. Say them a gangster and girl around them head.
Well, see that things must be poop, 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 pop.
James, hush up. This is a family I'm running here, not a stall at Coronation Market. Oh,
Is you the picnic get the ranking this from?
Delcita,
Yes, ma'am.
where you really and truly coming from?
And talk me truth.
Well, mama, at first when me did this, me did not come from straight down our school, but then me stop for a little while.
Stop for a while with who?
With one of me friends.
Which friend?
Hey, man friend or a boyfriend?
Mama, make it up in nice.
Delcita,
Hey, this is the last straw. I know my picnic now. I know my picnic.
I figure say I never feel pitney man. But I say last straw. Cause you know when you're a step parent, as a step parent, to be honest, it's rough being a step parent. It's rough cause you don't know talking ahead. That's why many people are stay away from single moms and single dads because you can't chat to people. If I date somebody right now, they can't discipline my child. I was dating a young lady and my son say he want to come live with me. And me tell her, I say, yo, I not expect you to be a mom or a stepmom to my child, no. No, you're my spouse and that's it. You know, nothing to do with my kid. And that might sound harsh or unfair. I don't know. I don't care. But yeah, you have a mom. You don't need a mom. So, and I guess that's how a lot of kids think too. Like, yo, you're not my dad. You're not my mom. Don't. So, me leave woman with Pitney alone. Yeah, man. Big up all the single moms who are doing it out there by themselves. Shout out to the single dad them coming. You know, say on a firm. Them boy and girls have to listen. Yeah, man. But anyways, like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, leave a comment. Stay safe and God bless.